News 8 at Sunrise in high definition continues.
Well, welcome back. CPA Matt Bryant is back with us this morning. Matt, good to see you.
Good to be here.
So this morning we're talking about tax breaks for college. Are there tax breaks that can help offset some of those high college costs?
There are a number of tax breaks for college, the most popular of which is the American Opportunity Tax Credit.
Tell us how it works.
That credit allows you a credit up to $2,500 off the first $4,000 of qualified education expenses for the first 4 years of college.
Does it impact income taxes that are due?
Yes, it does. If a person owed $3,000 to the IRS and had a $2,500 tax credit, they would only owe the net of $500.
So they can take that full $2,500 amount?
That is correct.
Are there tax credits for students in graduate school?
There is a credit for after the 4th year of college called the lifetime credit, which allows for up to $2,000 of the first $10,000 of tuition.
Okay. Are there limitations on these types of credits?
Yes, there are income limitations, and if someone goes over those limits, the credits begin to be reduced.
Any other tax breaks on education expenses we should be thinking about?
There is also a tuition and fees deduction available, which is up to a $4,000 deduction on your tax return.
All right, so this is a deduction versus a credit. What's the difference there?
Well, a credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction of the tax due, whereas a deduction reduces the base on which the tax is calculated.
Okay, are there limitations on these deductions?
Yes, once again, there are income limitations.
Okay. Can you claim both? Can you use the tax credit and the deduction as well?
You can only use the credit or deduction per student, but if someone supports more than one student, they can use a credit on one and a deduction on another.
All right, one reason to have more than one child then, I guess, right? A number of parents and students may be considering student loans to help for college. Certainly, no surprise there. Are there tax breaks when it comes to student loans?
There are. There's a $2,500 deduction annually for student loan interest. And unlike an itemized deduction, this is put on page 1 of the 1040 and allows everyone to claim it.
What about an income limitation here? Is there one?
Yes, once again, there is a cliff here, and if you are over that threshold, then you're not allowed to claim this deduction.
All right. Final advice for parents and students as they begin this college journey and I guess the financial path of navigating it as well.
A trusted certified public accountant can be a great help getting through these deductions and credits, as well as planning for college costs.
Yeah, it is complicated, isn't it?
It can be.
But it can be navigated.
That is correct.
As evidenced this morning. All right, Matt, thank you. Good to see you again.
Thank you.
More on this conversation on our website. You can also find more at the State Society of CPA's website at nysscpa.org. We'll share that at rochesterhomepage.net.